Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at the extension Add to Google Classroom, which is exactly what it does. So once we select Add to Chrome and then select Add Extension, make sure as always go ahead and go right in here with your extensions, and then I would recommend scrolling down, finding it. Well, there it is, of course, at the very top. Pin it. So then it looks like this right here. Now, we're going to go into a document. You can see right in here that it is locked and all that. No worries. What we need to do is just go ahead, select Add to Classroom. You can see this comes up right away. Choose your specific classroom and then the action. In this one, we're going to make, we're going to create an assignment. Select Go. So you can see it opens up. So I'm just going to call it writing. And again, you can fill in what you need, your points, so on and so forth. And then make a copy for each student. Go ahead and assign, and I'll show you what it looks like from a student point of view. So from a student point of view, they would just go ahead in, just like normal, select right in there. Say it's taking just a second to load. Then just go ahead, select it, and there you go. You can see that the sharing did change, so I just wanted to show you that. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.